Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 38 of the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day challenge where you take 10 minutes of your day and see what you can get done within that time frame. So we've almost completed this layout. So I've got a few things and I'm just going to go ahead and glue on, and we should get it done. I might even get done early, we'll see. Alright, so I started my timer and I've kind of got an idea of some of the things that I'm definitely going to use. I might need to do something with that right there because it keeps folding down whenever I flip the page. But I'm probably going to make this into a pocket, and I have my hole punch. I should have had it together with me. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to use, it's the Fiskars. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, I'm going to use some black paper. If I had it. I can't believe I'm so ill prepared. Hold on. Alright, everything but this right here. Alright, we're just going to punch two of these. One and two. Okay. And I think I'm going to add it to this right here as like a tab. And only on this one, or should I? I think I'll put it like over in here on the side. I don't think I need one. Well, actually, I think I'm just going to turn it like this. I wonder if I should put it like over in here. Oh, I should have thought this out. I'll put it over in here. So let me just fold this in half. I'm going to do the other one the same way. And I'm probably going to add an eyelet or something. We'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and glue this on, and then glue all the things that, oh, not on this. Actually, I want it on this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Because I don't need anything too fancy or anything. All right. Make sure that's centered. And then, let me get my hole punch and my eyelets. Like I said, I'm so ill prepared. This is where all my time goes. Alright, so we're just going to punch us a little hole right here. And then we're going to set our eyelet. I think I'll do silver because it'll show pretty well. Or should I do gold? I think I'll just do like this copperish looking color. Yeah. Because then it kind of blends with that color right there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and hopefully this will work right. Okay, yeah, it did. Just put this back over here. I don't know if it'll go in there. Alright, we'll straighten that up later on. So I'm going to turn this basically into a little pocket. And I'll probably forget that it is a pocket unless I find a tag to stick down in there, which I might do. Alright, so this is just going to go right here. And I also found a where did oh, here it is. Let me set all this down here so I don't lose it. I'm going to put this little flower, this little rose, like over in here. So I think it'll look good there. So I'm just going to turn it like that. And then I also wanted to put that word journey next to it, like right in there. I think it'll go good right there. Okay. And let's see. And I've decided I was going to take, I considered using these right here, and because I was going to use these as like a hinge, but the problem with that is it would look excellent right there, but if I put it here, then it's going to cover up part of the man, and I thought that would have looked really good together though. But I'm not going to do it on this page. I might do another page with the brown, and we'll see, and then I might use that, but on this one I'm not. So I'm going to take one of these little things that I had made in one of the first few sessions, one of these little book pages, and then I'm just going to add it right here in the center of the clipboard. And I think I had 2 of them like that. Where did I put that other one? I had it somewhere. I'll find it in a little bit. And then I want to add telephone number. I actually, let me see. I'm going to glue this to some black cardstock, just so it can have like a backdrop. I want to cut this out, and instead of putting it on this page, I think it's going to look good right here on this actual back page of the journal. So we're going to go ahead and put that there, because I like how you have like your white, black, and beige. And then let's see, so I'm going to put this somewhere. I don't know, maybe I could put this here, or put the word perfection right there. I do want to put this up here, so let's go ahead and add this to some black cardstock. I'm probably going to end up adding all of my numbers to some black cardstock, just to make it look a little more pronounced. And then I'm just going to put this like right in here. I think I'll put it, yeah. Or maybe right in here, yeah. And should I back it onto some beige? No, I'm just going to leave it alone. Just going to leave it alone. Because I won't get anything done if I keep on changing my mind. So we're going to put this number right here. I think that'll look kind of good. Let me make sure I got it lined up right. So I don't really need this. Let me just sit that over there. I think I might stick this here. These are my notes. Could probably use something here, but let's go ahead, because I do want to use perfection. I didn't even stress it, but I'm okay. I think we've got like 3 minutes left, y'all, but I'm determined to finish this layout today. Whatever we get's what we get. So let's go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to put that right there. And I think that that brings these together. Then I probably, what should I put on the front? Is this maybe banger or a number? Or should I put, no, that's too much. Maybe this, and then this off to the side. Give a serial number, maybe something like that. And then something, oh, here's this. Go ahead and put that on there. Oh, there's our time, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this to the center. I was hoping to have something kind of brown to go right there, but that's okay. We're fine. We'll just put this here. You don't have, it doesn't have to have it. And I think I got pretty much what I need. I think that looks decent. I don't know, should I put that there? Or we'll just leave it alone. Should I just leave it alone? I'm gonna put that there. And that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna lift part of this up. I'll re-glue part of it back down. This is gonna go like right there. And then add a little bit of glue back on here. Glue that back down. And I say we're done. Yeah, this will work because I don't want to overdo it and put too much stuff on here, you know. So let's reassess what we've got. Move all this out the way first, so we can see what we have. I've lost my little thing that goes in there. Oh God. I'll find it. Okay, so anyway, we have our little zine, or what do you call it, accordion, that comes out, and it also goes this way too, so you know you can have writing space on both sides. And then we have our little tuck spot here, put a little tag or something there. We have our flips, and then I put the little journal inside here. And then we've got this flips down, and if I need to, I can revisit it and just add something in there. I could, if I wanted to, I could actually put the journal down in here as well. If I didn't want to put it inside of here, I could make some journal cards maybe on my next session to stick down in here. I might do that too. And then just put that other journal literally in here to house it in there. And this will keep it sealed. And then of course we have our telephone number, perfection, little words and things that we added. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna just do a little close up of the whole page. Oh, and I cheated. I stitched around the edge of just this page, only because I was already going to stitch this right here. So I was just like, I might as well go ahead and stitch around the whole page. It was kind of tough trying to get this part right here to fit through the sewing machine, because it's like, you know, it was real thick, but I had to open it up like this and then just kind of feed it through, and I had to turn the page over and over and over again. But yeah, that's how I did that. And then we have our envelopes, and here's where it has telephone number, and then our late latte. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.